Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to edit YouTube videos on CapCut with a using a laptop. It's a new computer, so yeah. Awesome. Confirm. So what you do, wait for the app to launch. Then okay, got it, yeah. We don't want anything to do about the. So as you can see, we have the app open. So what you're going to do, you click on new project. Nice. So I'll go back to my browser. I downloaded some royalty-free videos for this tutorial, so thanks you for following, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, I have these two. We have cars. So this is how you import files from uh, from your phone to the app, the from your uh, hard disk to the CapCut app. So you're going to import the videos. As you can see, the import is so quick. So we have the video. Let's watch it and see. Just watch it and see what we have. So remember, this is royalty free. So for instance, if we watch it, as you can see, this is a slow down video. Oh, nice, nice. So this is how you do it. So what you do, I'll come to the filters. I come to the filters. So maybe I want to change the look of the video. So so we have a lot of filters. We have another one that is movie like. We have this. I like using this Oppenheimer. It gives you that movie like look. So let's see. Let's put the filter. As you can see, like you see the video is quite bright, but when it has that filter that makes it look very nice. And I can also add the Oppenheimer so that that movie look, yeah, awesome. So we can reduce the strength. I think this is enough. Yeah, so as you can see now, it has that movie look, look. So for instance, if I want to cut, maybe I want to cut this. Let me cut this. Let me cut. Then I take this to another side. Then once if finish seeing the bends, I want to cut here so that I can add another video. So let me just give me the time. I'll add this other media, this other video. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is going to be. So I have to select. Okay, mind you, I'm using Control B is a very nice shortcut. So if you see, so let's add the. So you can see this is the primary track. This is track 2. These are the other tracks for the filters. Really like using CapCut as compared to Adobe Premiere because it's quite simple for beginners like me and you. So as you can see, we have the right texture for the video. So what we'll do, just drag this here and then copyright. No, I don't want this. Then maybe I can add the lady walking. Add her there. And now I'm gonna put it there. So I want us to see the entire video that we had. I'm just taking snippets. You can see love Lamborghinis and S classes. So just Control B to just split the. This is about splitting the video. I'll take that portion and add it here. It's quite easy actually. I like the bends. The bends looks nice. Yeah, the bends. So I just got the bends to there. Then I'll select it. Select it, then bring it back to this place. So as you can see, we have our video done. I really like this estate. Yeah, nice. Like this background. Nice. So yeah. So I'm going to delete this. And you just select and press backspace or delete to just cut it from the track. This is called the track. So this is the media. This is what we've imported, and now this is the track. So as you can see, like this is overlapping the other. So I'm going to let's see how it's gonna be. Then we have the car drifting. Then we have the estates. Nice. So I'll choose to end the video there. So press extract. No. Press delete for those. So as you can see now, I have this. So this is the final video. And you can add some music just to make it look
Just the two of us.
so we're gonna click here and then just the volume. I'm gonna copy it, copy paste. Yeah, so yeah, paste, just align it there. Then where you see the video ending, so this is for the effects, the filters that I've put in. The is what you have now. So I want to export. So once I'm done, satisfied with the video, and also add some transitions just to make the transition smooth. Yeah, so transitions. I like this one. Then I can have this one. So need the text to be aligned. Then this. Okay. And you can have this just to make it like a little bit fun, right? Then you can have the bubble but blah. This is how the effect will be. You see, really nice, really nice. So it's time for us to export the video. So I want to export in 4K. So I'll just come here, press 4K. Let's say a high bitrate. Let's say test sample one, test sample one. Then voila, we're exporting. Let's give it some time. And kindly like, share, subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to edit on CapCut, because it really goes a long way, right? Yeah.